In this guide, I'll show you how to free up storage space on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings on the home menu, then scroll down and look for Data Management. Now under Software Data is where you'll see the option to quick delete or manage your software. You can select either one because it ultimately results in the same thing. You can select a game that you want to delete, and if you have a look to the right, you'll see how much free space you'll get from it. And this isn't going to delete your saved data. So select any games you want to delete and go to delete on the right. Then you have the option of keeping the home menu icon if you plan to re-download it later. Then you can just select delete. Now once you've done that, you'll free up a bunch of space on your console. So we're going to go back now, and the next thing you have the option of deleting is going to be your save data. So if you select delete save data beneath it, you'll have the option to select any games or applications where you want to delete the saved data. Now in this example, I'm going to select this file here, and you have the option of deleting for a specific user, or you can delete the saved data on this software for all of your users. So I'm just going to select this for an example, and we're going to go to delete saved data, and then give it a couple seconds and it'll be deleted. Now you can go back again and under Data Management scroll down, and this is where you'll be able to delete any screenshots or videos that you've saved to your system memory or microSD card if you have one. So in this example, I'm going to select system memory, and then all you have to do is select delete all screenshots and videos in system memory at the bottom. So once you've done that, you can scroll back over to settings and scroll down to users. And if you have any extra users you want to get rid of, simply select them and scroll down to the bottom. And from here, you'll be able to delete the user. So once you've done that, you can scroll over and scroll down in the settings. And from system, scroll over and scroll down again. And where you see data clear option, select it. And from here, you'll also have the option of clearing cache for specific users on your Switch 2. Now do bear in mind this likely won't delete a ton of storage, but it's just another thing you can do to get a little bit more space. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.